Central Florida Real Estate Radio on News Radio WFLA Orlando. Now to our studio and your host, local real estate expert and my friend, Laura Petersen.
Cleanliness is probably number one.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, and when your house is clean and people recognize that it's clean, it just shows that you care about your house, number one, that you've cared probably about the things in your house that you can't see, like maintaining the air conditioner and those kinds of things, that you've caulked around the sinks and that kind of stuff occasionally so that everything is in good working order. And I was talking to one gentleman earlier this week, and one of the things that he said people in his neighborhood, what he's noticing is that the houses are selling and then people are coming in and they're just kind of remodeling right away. And it's true that probably in that neighborhood, that's what's going to happen, is that people want to come in and put their own spin on it and everything. But the bottom line is that when they do that, what they want to do is when they purchase the home, they want to be able to move in it and be able to live in it today. And then maybe next week they'll go ahead and they will maybe do some remodels or something like that. So they don't want to have to do it day one. Sometimes they do, but many people want to do it like maybe within 6 months or within the first year or something. I mean, when it comes to flooring, a lot of times obviously it's easier to do it before you move in. But if it's anything outside of that, for the most part, they would rather get there, think about it, live in the space a little bit and go, okay, well, this is good, but maybe we want to change it this way instead of what they originally thought or something. So that's why you want to have it in tip-top condition in the best way that you can.